Have you ever wondered if you could completely change your life in just 6 months? Or is true transformation something that takes years? Today, we're diving into a powerful debate. Some people believe personal change happens slowly, over years of effort. Others argue that with the right strategy, your life could become unrecognizable within months. Let's explore both views, and I'll tell you why I believe fast transformation is possible. First, let's consider those who think transformation takes time. They say habits and beliefs form over decades. Changing them isn't easy. Imagine someone trying to break a lifelong habit like procrastination or self-doubt. That's not a one-week fix. It takes time to unlearn patterns and build new routines. And slow change often feels more secure, there's less risk of relapse. But the opposite side tells a different story. That real change doesn't have to take years, if you build it properly. Scientists say the brain can rewire itself fast, thanks to neuroplasticity. And people today are using structured habits, routines, and mindset shifts to level up quickly. 6 months of disciplined daily practice, like journaling, working out, and focused work, could change your identity. High achievers aren't waiting for time. They create systems, not wishes. They focus on non-negotiable habits, clear goals, and mental rewiring. And I agree with them. I truly believe you can change your life dramatically in 6 to 12 months. Not because time is the magic ingredient, but because action is. If you're consistent, if you're intentional, if you're willing to give up comfort and build systems, you will see change faster than you expect. In the end, transformation doesn't depend on how many years you've lived. It depends on how you choose to live each day. Time is not the obstacle. Comfort is. So if you're ready to reinvent yourself, start today. 6 months from now, you'll thank yourself.